There is one long screw and one short screw. The long screw is installed at the front, and the short screw is installed at the rear. There are a total of 5 parts in this area: 2 screws, 1 spring, 1 lock, and 1 button. First, place the red button at the bottom of the slot. Then insert the spring into the upper part of the slot. Use 2 screws to secure the lock and button.